Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a premium cutting tool known for precision, power, and professional-grade performance. This model includes a 55-inch, 1,400 mm guide rail, ensuring long, straight cuts with exceptional accuracy. Designed for woodworkers, carpenters, and contractors, the TS55 FEQF offers plunge cutting functionality, allowing users to begin cuts anywhere on the material, ideal for cabinetry, flooring, or trimming doors and panels. Equipped with a powerful 1,200-watt motor and variable speed control, the saw adapts to various materials and cutting conditions. It delivers smooth, splinter-free results thanks to its refined blade design and integrated splinter guard. The saw's fast-fix blade change system enhances safety and convenience, while its advanced dust extraction port ensures a cleaner working environment when paired with a dust extractor. The included FS 1400 guide rail provides track-guided cutting for perfectly straight lines, reducing the need for additional clamping or measuring tools. Whether you're performing bevel cuts, plunge cuts, or long rip cuts, the rail system improves efficiency and precision. This saw is also compatible with other Festool accessories, offering a flexible, expandable system for a variety of projects. Built with German engineering quality, the Festool TS55 FEQF is an investment in reliability, longevity, and professional results. It's a standout choice for those who demand the highest standards in cut quality and system integration. Ideal for both workshop and on-site use, this plunge cut saw sets the benchmark in its category. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile and affordable cutting solution designed for DIYers and professionals alike. This 7¼ circular saw comes equipped with a TCT, tungsten carbide-tipped, blade, enabling it to cut through a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, metal, such as steel and aluminum, laminate, and more, all with a single blade. Its multi-material cutting capability makes it ideal for jobs involving mixed materials, reducing the need for blade changes and saving time. Included with the kit is a 40-inch track rail system, which helps guide the saw for accurate, straight-line cuts. This track enhances precision and control, particularly on longer cuts or when trimming sheet materials like plywood or MDF. The saw features an adjustable depth of cut up to 2.5 inches and a 0 to 45 degrees bevel tilt, allowing for angled cuts and added flexibility in project applications. The R185 CCSX is powered by a 15-amp motor, delivering reliable performance across materials. It also includes a vacuum dust port to help manage debris, keeping the workspace cleaner. The ergonomic design, soft grip handle, and easy-to-use controls make operation comfortable and user-friendly. Overall, the Evolution R185 CCSX is a compact, efficient, and cost-effective alternative to more expensive track saws. It's well-suited for users who need clean, accurate cuts across a variety of materials and who want the added benefit of track-guided precision without the premium price tag. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J1 is a versatile 6.5-inch plunge circular saw kit designed for precision and ease of use in a variety of woodworking and cutting applications. Featuring a powerful motor and a compact design, this tool delivers smooth, accurate cuts with minimal effort, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The saw is engineered to provide clean plunge cuts, bevel cuts up to 45 degrees, and straight cuts with the help of its included 55-inch guide rail. This guide rail ensures consistent, precise, and splinter-free cuts, significantly improving accuracy and efficiency during operation. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of a stackable tool case, which allows for easy and organized storage alongside other compatible Makita cases. This makes transporting the saw and its accessories convenient and protects the tool during transit and storage. The saw's ergonomic design includes comfortable grips and balanced weight distribution, reducing operator fatigue during extended use. Built with durability in mind, the Makita SP6000J1 combines high-quality materials and engineering to withstand demanding job site conditions. Its dust collection port helps maintain a cleaner work area by reducing sawdust dispersion. The striking blue color gives it a distinctive and professional look. Overall, the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge circular saw kit is an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, accurate, and easy-to-handle saw for woodworking, cabinetry, flooring, or any project requiring precise cuts. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ is a powerful and versatile cordless plunge circular saw kit designed to deliver professional-grade cutting performance. Powered by two 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, which combine to provide 36 volts of power, this brushless motor saw ensures efficient and long-lasting operation with increased runtime and durability. The 6.1/2-inch blade size offers precise and clean cuts, ideal for a variety of woodworking tasks including flooring, cabinetry, and framing. This kit includes two 5.0Ah batteries, providing ample battery capacity to handle demanding jobs without frequent recharging interruptions. The brushless motor technology not only enhances efficiency but also reduces maintenance needs and extends the tool's lifespan. One of the key features of this plunge circular saw is its plunge mechanism, allowing users to start cuts in the middle of materials easily and safely, a must-have for detailed or specialized cutting applications. Additionally, this kit supports the use of Makita's 199,140/039-inch guide rail, which is sold separately. The guide rail system offers exceptional cutting accuracy and straight-line guidance, perfect for making long, clean cuts with minimal effort. This compatibility makes the saw an excellent choice for professionals seeking precision in their work. With its ergonomic design, lightweight construction, and advanced safety features, the Makita XPS01 PTJ Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a reliable tool for both construction professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. The combination of cordless convenience and high performance makes this saw a standout in its category. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a high-precision cutting tool designed to deliver clean, accurate cuts with ease. Featuring a 6.1/2-inch blade, this plunge action saw is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision in woodworking, cabinetry, and other cutting applications. The plunge mechanism allows users to start cuts exactly where needed, ensuring smooth entry and exit points while minimizing tear-out. One of the standout features of this saw is its compatibility with guide rails, which helps achieve perfectly straight and repeatable cuts every time. The track system not only improves accuracy but also increases safety by stabilizing the saw during operation. This is especially useful when working with large panels or sheet goods. The GKT13-225L also boasts a powerful motor that maintains consistent cutting performance even under load, allowing for efficient work on hardwoods, plywood, MDF, and other materials. Additionally, its ergonomic design with a comfortable handle reduces user fatigue during extended use. For convenience, this Bosch track saw comes with a durable carrying case that makes transporting and storing the tool straightforward and protects it from damage. The saw's dust extraction port helps keep the work area cleaner by connecting to a vacuum system, improving visibility and reducing cleanup time. Overall, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw combines precision, power, and portability in a well-built package that meets the needs of craftsmen seeking accuracy and efficiency in their cutting projects.